Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this awesome little gray smoky eye. I don't really see too many gray smoky eyes, which I think it's a great look. It's such a soft smoky eye look, but it looks so elegant, so effortless. I love it. But this time I decided to add a little shimmer into it, and yeah. Anyway, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Oh yes, you guys might be hearing some voices in the background and stuff. That is because I am filming this tutorial at my studio and there's other people that work in this facility and I don't have another way of doing the video if, and they're here and it's nighttime and I'm like, can't you be gone? But anyways, let's just get started with this tutorial. So as you guys can see, my eyeshadow base is already on and my brows are already carved out. I'm using Soft Ochre by MAC for my eyeshadow primer. And the first eyeshadow I'm going to go into Soft Brown by MAC. Now I'm going to go into the KKWBEAUTY Matte Smoke Palette. And I'm going to go into this taupey gray color. And I'm just going to apply that shade all over the lid. Since this is like a gray, smoky, shimmery eye. Now I'm going to go into the shimmery shade by Urban Decay. And I'm going to go ahead and just use my middle finger and just press this shade on to my lid. This eyeshadow is very shimmery. You guys can see, like, just pressing it. But it like makes any eyeshadow shimmery, like a nice soft shimmery shadow without ruining the tones that you had already put on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and define my lash line using this black shadow here. So I'm not creating a wing. I'm basically just lining the lash line so that when I go ahead and put the lashes, it's not just showing a lash strip and it looks more seamless. So before I put on my foundation, I'm going to moisturize my skin using the Estée Lauder DayWear moisturizer. Now I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick. And I'm going to be using my Morphe Y6 brush to buff it out. And since I like a little bit more coverage and the combo of these two foundations, I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Fiji. And with this foundation, I am going to go ahead and use a beauty blender. And for contour, I'm also going to be using the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick in the shade Natural Amber. And for concealer, today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the ELCIE Cosmetics bronzer in light. And now I'm going to set my face using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I don't necessarily like to bake, so I just use pouncing motions and just make sure that the powder is in my skin. And then with the clean side of the beauty blender, I just go ahead and go over my contour. And after I'm done with that, I just go back with a bronzer brush and make sure everything's warmed up again. And now I'm gonna set all the powders into my skin, and I'm gonna be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Now I'm going to be using a combo of two highlighters, and I'm going to be using the ELCIE Golden Haze highlighter and the KKWBEAUTY Glitz and Glam highlighter. So first I'm going to go into the ELCIE Golden Haze highlighter. And I like to put this highlighter all over my forehead to really give me that dewy effect, because this highlighter isn't as, it kind of melts more into the skin as opposed to just being so bright and shiny. Now I'm going to go into the Glitz and Glam highlighter. And after I highlight, I always like to go back with a big fluffy brush that I use for bronzer. Just go over the highlight. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and use the soft brown shade that I used first. Now I'm going to go in with that grayish tone that I used earlier, and I'm just going to focus right at the outer corner of my eye. bring it into the middle just a little bit. And now I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors gel eyeliner in Shady. And this is literally just a black gel eyeliner. And I'm trying to apply it at the top. And now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be using the Big Tease Mascara by BUXOM. And on my lips today, I'm going to be using a little bit of a pinkier nude shade, and I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors Delight Lip Liner. And now that I've lined my lips, I'm going to go in with the Nars Lip Glide in Unlaced. And when I'm using some sort of color on my lips, I like to wait to put on the blush to see how the color shows up on my skin. So today I'm going to be using the Frankie Rose Cosmetics Romantica blush. So as you guys can see, the blush is also like a nudie pinkish color. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye guys!